Hello there, how are you doing? I hope you are great. Today we are going to do something very interesting. Today is سیزده. What is سیزده? سیزده is a traditional Persian festival on the 13th day of New Year. It means 13th day after Nowruz, which is the New Year of Persian Iranian New Year. So سیزده is like a picnic day where we all go to the nature and hang out and play like sports, play a lot of games and grill and just have fun. So be with me. This grass you see here is for hafsin. Hafsin is an arrangement of 7 different items which start with S or sin in Persian, and they all have a symbolic meaning. Grass has the symbolic meaning of rebirth or growth. Let's have some tea made on fire. Let's make the fire for grill. The grill went wrong here, as you can see. We're on a wooden stick and they fell to the fire. And this is my vegetarian burger. Now it's marshmallow time. What is this? I mean, electrical RC cars in the nature. It is the most weird thing I've ever seen. Unfortunately, spring in Denmark was a little delayed, so as you can see, it's not green yet, but still beautiful. I used to play volleyball professionally, but I stopped 3-4 years ago, and I guess I took another path in life. Our ball went into the water, to the lake, but we got it back, fortunately. Dancing is a big part of Iranian Persian culture. We always dance everywhere and in every arrangement events.
آره ما واقعا چیز نمی‌بینیم.
چند تایی میزنی؟ So here we make a knot on the grass and make a wish and hope our wishes come true. So it was getting late and cold, so we were headed home. But first we have to throw the grass on the water. Not in this way though. Thank you so much for watching. Remember to subscribe, like and comment.